Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in the Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4" nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket and instructions. The freezer door gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad gasket could cause higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, ice on the interior, and frozen airways between the freezer and fresh food sections, causing the temperature to rise above normal. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. I'm going to use the 1/4" nut driver to loosen up this couple of screws that holds the door. Two on one side, and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Now next we're going to lift up on the door and remove it. Let's place the door on the workable surface, and now we're going to remove the old gasket. To remove the old gasket, I'm going to pull it out a little bit here, and I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to stick it into the groove and pry the old gasket out. Carefully, don't damage the lining. And continue pulling the gasket out all around the door. All right, before installing the new gasket, we need to clean the groove. Oh, if it's clean, just inspect. If no foreign objects in there, no grease. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is the new gasket. And it will go in with this edge going into the groove. I'm going to start with putting in the corners. Press it in. And then we're going to install this this side in. Push in. You will feel that that edge goes into the groove. And then I'm going to start the opposite side. Same thing, corners. And then we're going to put in this side. And now the shorter sides. Alright, now we can take it off and install it onto the fridge. So after we bring the door, we're going to install the top screws first. And now I'm going to bring the bottom in and lock the bottom screw also. And now we're going to use the 1/4" nut driver, and we're going to tighten the screws. And now we can close the door. So I'm going to check if there's any gaps. So I can open the fresh food door and check the gasket at the top of the door. It fits very good. Then we're going to look at the opposite side here. This is also good fit here. And I'm going to check the bottom. It's good. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.